JD Cap 26 here for Just Do Good Preparing Tips, and we got a mess here on my bench. This is my painting bench for to paint projects and models and all sorts of things. So we're gonna reorganize that. So stay tuned. Some are gone. Getting there. And we did a little more. Could be a little OCD, I don't know. And we're all done. Organized everything up with some Hobby Zone wraps. And I'm quite satisfied. I don't need a lot of paints. I don't need a gazillion paints to do the work I do. And this flips down, as you know. And the light goes on so we can paint. It goes off. That goes up. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the little bell, because I always have something to show you. Have a great day, you guys.